Hello, today we're going to make letter F of Russian alphabet. Inflate a balloon leaving about 3-inch flat tail. Twist the first soft about 1-inch bubble. Lock both ends of the first bubble in one lock twist. Twist the second about 2-inch bubble. Twist the third about 4-inch bubble. Now I'm going to bend the balloon in the shape of a semicircle to measure the size of the fourth bubble. Twist the fourth, about 10, maybe 11-inch bubble. Lock both ends of the chain of the last two bubbles in one lock twist. Now again we have to bend the balloon in the shape of semicircle to measure the size of the fifth bubble. It should be the same size as the fourth bubble. Twist the fifth bubble. Lock both ends of the chain of the last two bubbles in one lock twist. Okay, now let's fix all bubbles in proper positions. Our sculpture already has a shape of letter F, or butterfly, or some sort of fish. Let's twist the sixth about 2-inch bubble and twist the seventh soft 1-inch bubble. Lock both ends of the seventh bubble in one lock twist. Actually, we can twist the sixth bubble bigger size, about 3-inch long. Alright, let's shape sides of our sculpture. Congratulations, we have made letter F of Russian alphabet. In this example I have just a flat tail left at the end of the balloon. Use scissors to cut off the rest of the balloon, if you have any. Tie off the end and hide it between bubbles. I attach letters to each other with sewing threads of the same color as the background color. Loop the sewing thread around 1-inch bubbles. In this example we have only 2 such points to attach letter, but it's always better to use 3 or 4 points to attach letters. This way they will stay in a line with other letters. In most cases we attach the signs to a wall using sticky tape, and the wall prevents letters from spinning around even if you attach letters at 2 points. Good enough for now. Have fun and happy twisting!